You've seen me make this roll dough several times. I've posted the recipe. It's on my blog. I'll post it again. But I've had a request from several people to show how I actually form the rolls. You can see I've rolled some of it out and I've put butter on the top of it. And now I'm going to get ready to actually form the rolls. You'll notice that I'm not being extremely precise because it is not required. And I am going to get 16 rolls out of this. So you can see it's kind of like a pizza. And I think I did it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it looks okay. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'll start with this one. I'm just going to roll it like a croissant. Okay. And then this dough is very sticky. And you see this little tip here? I'm going to fold these underneath and then take that tip around, stretch it, fold it underneath. There's my first roll. Go ahead and do the same thing with all of the others. I'll do this several times so you can see how I do it. I've just gotten so used to doing this that I don't even think about how I do it. So it's easier to show than to try to write an explanation. So here's another one. Tuck that under. And I doubled the recipe today, and I should be able to get 3 rounds, which will be 3 times 16, which, let's see, should be 48. So I'll have 48 rolls. I usually get 4 or 5 across on the pan. Once these are formed, they will rise till they're about double, which is depending on the heat or the temperature in your kitchen, will normally be 30 to 60 minutes. Now, you'll notice that I have granite countertops. They tend to be cool, probably at least 10 degrees cooler than the actual air temperature in my kitchen. So I often will move those to the stove to rise, or I will put my pans on towels. Either way, you want to make sure that the pans and the rolls, I think that's a double one, but that's okay. I think it'll still get eaten. You want to make sure that the rolls can rise so they'll be ready to put in the oven within an hour. Now this is the same dough that I could use to make cinnamon rolls if I'd like to. I'm not going to today. These freeze well, or if you eat them within 2 to 3 days, they taste like they're fresh from the oven. Even though there's plenty of butter in these, if you microwave them for just a short time, probably 10 to 15 seconds, to soften the roll up, it's going to taste just like it did fresh out of the oven. So I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Once again, I'm so used to doing this, I don't even think about how I do it. But after seeing me do several of them, I hope you get the idea. And I will post the link to the recipe from my recipe blog and some pictures of these rolls. and we will enjoy eating them. If you have any questions about how I've done this, please let me know, and I will respond to your questions. So there we go, last one, and it looks like I only got 14 out of that, but that's okay. Don't hesitate to let me know if you have questions. See you later.